If you feel that Shopify Analytics is not giving you the proper data and you want to install an external analytics just like Google Analytics, then this video is for you. After watching this video, you'll be able to install Google Analytics 4 all by your own without needing for developer, and you'll be able to compare the data of Shopify Analytics and Google Analytics for the better understanding of what's working and what's not working. A lot of merchants which we work with as an official Shopify partner gave us this issue that the conversion data is not matching with the Facebook ads. And one of the solution for that is to add Google Analytics 4. Then you'll be able to compare the data with the Shopify Analytics and with the Google Analytics 4. Now, let's get into the screen where I'm going to show you how you can install Google Analytics 4 on your own. Okay guys, so that's the development store and I'll be installing the app which Shopify provide. So let's go to the backend of my store, and that is the Google Analytics page which I have open. Okay, in the backend of Shopify store, I'm going to search for Google and YouTube. Here you can see that it's showing up here. If you do not see that, you can simply click on search Google and YouTube in Shopify App Store, which will open up the app page and you can install Google and YouTube Shopify app, which is a built-in app through which you can install Google Analytics 4. Here you can see that I already have it installed. That's why it's showing me open. If you do not have it installed, it's going to give you install, which you can easily install on your store. So let's click on that. Here you can see that it's giving us the option of connect Google account. All you have to do is just click on connect Google account and it will give you this pop-up where you can select your Gmail email address. Google Analytics is a free tool. You don't need to buy anything for that. You just need to create a new Gmail email account and Google Analytics account will automatically be created, and you will need to create a new property within Google Analytics, which I'm going to show you in a sec. So let's click on the email which we want to connect with our Shopify store. Okay, after connecting your Shopify store with the Gmail email, you will see this option where you will see all of these different accounts. These are all of our customer accounts. So what we need to do is create a new account on Google Analytics first. And for that, let's go to analytics.google.com. I already have it open. You just can Google analytics.google.com and you will find that. And here I'm going to create a new testing account for you guys on how you can create Google Analytics account. So let's click on this gear icon on this bottom left corner. And from here, I'm clicking on this create button and click on that account. And here I'm going to name it testing account, just to show you guys that how you can create that. And I do not need to connect the organization. So I'm going to scroll down and click on next. And for the property name, you can add your own store name here. I'm just going to add testing account and then click on next. And you can select your business details here. I'm going to select arts and entertainment, small, and then click on next. Make sure to fill in your own business details, whatever industry category you have your Shopify store in, and whatever the size of your business is. Let's click on next. And here is the business objective. Currently, our business objective is to understand the web app or traffic, understand the user engagement and retention, right? You can check mark all of these if you want to generate leads, if you want to drive sales as well. Let's click on create. And here I'm going to click on I also accept the terms and condition and then click on I accept. Perfect. Your property is now created and it's asking you to choose a platform. I'm going to click skip for now and then go back to my store. So let's click on skip for now and then go back to the store and hit refresh here. After refresh, click on this slider and here you will see that looking only to set up Google Analytics 4 to your store. We are setting up Google Analytics 4, right? So let's click on get started. And here now it's going to show all of the account and I'm going to search for testing account, which I create. So let's search for that. Here we go. You can see that our testing account, which we created, is now showing up. You can match the number, the ID number here. You can see here 546148113. Here you can see that if I click on testing account, we can see that's the number That's the ID which you can match. And that is another ID, the measurement ID, which should be the same as this drop down here, right? Once done, click on continue. And here you go. Your Google Analytics account is now connected with your Shopify store. Now all you have to do is just go to Analytics, and from this reports here, you will be able to see the real-time reports, real-time overview, and the pages that how many visitors you're currently getting on your store. I have added the Google Analytics in the development store just to show you guys. That's why it's not showing any traffic. But when you will do that on your live store, you will have the complete metrics showing up, that how many visitors you got and what is the average retention rate, all of the detailed reports which you will be getting. And this is all completely for free. All you have to do is just connect your Google Analytics for GA4 account to your Shopify store. And that's it for this video. The last step is to turn on the email notification if you want to receive the tips and tricks from Google and YouTube, but I don't think it's necessary. And that's it for this video. If you are a new Shopify store owner and you want to improve the layout and looks of we have created a free section GitHub repository where you will find all of the codes completely for free. Link will be in the description. Also, there is an app by the name of Big Perk Discount, which can help you increase average order value to your store. All of the links will be in the description. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.